I thought I was going to die, but I was not. I was determined to fight it, so that's when I started to fight. I was having some indigestion, some problems, like I had lost my appetite, so that's when they started investigating. I was diagnosed with adenocarcinoma of the head of the pancreas. The issue was how do you best fight it? Clinical trials is where the rubber meets the road. When you've exhausted standard therapy and your cancer recurs, which it does in a high percentage of people, the only real opportunity you have is to get in a clinical trial.
Clinical trials are the way that we test investigational drugs in bringing new agents, new immunotherapeutic combinations, and new ways to use these here at the Moffitt Cancer Center. Many of them are unique to anywhere else in the world even.
One of the reasons why patients' best chance for beating cancer at Moffitt is because of the clinical trials that we do. We conduct more clinical trials than any other place in the Southeast, and we're among the very top in the country.
Our Phase 1 program, for example, which is the earliest first inpatient studies that are done, is one of the biggest in the United States. We're fortunate to have a very active program there, and many of those are investigator-initiated trials by our faculty here at Moffitt.
When they offered me the clinical trial, I felt like I had nothing to lose. They'll either cure me, or if they don't cure me, then it could possibly help someone else.
Clinical trials should not be viewed as a last resort. It's the way we advance cancer treatment. Patients really should participate for themselves and for the people that follow them.
It helps you, and it helps those that are going to deal with this in the future. It's a win-win situation for everybody.
There's a 25% improvement in survival for patients who we treat on clinical trials, and that's remarkable. That speaks to how important it is to be on clinical trials and to get the latest treatments and to come to a cancer center where the clinical activity is embedded in a research atmosphere.
We're not interested in taking incremental little steps in the battle, but really swinging for the fences, doing research that has impact.
We can translate discoveries in the laboratory as quickly as possible to take them to the clinic.
If I come to this one isn't working, I'll do another one. I'll roll right into another one. I will keep doing clinical trials because they keep getting better and better and better and better. This is the only way we're going to beat this disease. Whether it's breast cancer or ovarian cancer or bowel cancer, the only way we're going to beat it is through clinical trials.
To learn more, call 1-888-MOFFIT or visit moffitt.org.